Hi there, my name is John, and welcome to the Fuzzy Slipper, where today I'll be teaching you how to make a painkiller. Let's get started. The painkiller cocktail is a fantastic way to relax and get away from the stress of a work week. It generally comes in 3 different levels, which is dictated by the amount of rum in it, such as 2, 3, and 4 ounces. Ours today will contain 2.5 ounces, which can always be upped from there, depending on the amount of pain you're in. Today's recipe will consist of Malibu black coconut rum, Bacardi Gold Rum, cream of coconut, pineapple and orange juice, ground nutmeg on top to garnish, as well as a pineapple wedge. We'll start off by pouring 1.5 ounces of Malibu black coconut rum. It's a bit bolder than the traditional Malibu coconut rum. It's also a higher proof. Next up, we're gonna go with 1 ounce of Bacardi Gold. We don't wanna have all of that coconut feel to it, so we're gonna give it a little bit more lively rum. Next up is 1 ounce cream of coconut. We'll be using Coco Reàl because it is easily refrigerated and dispensed. It helps to utilize a bar spoon to go ahead and get the rest of it out of there because it does like to get stuck. And then we're going to use 4 ounces of pineapple juice and 1 ounce of orange juice, which we've already prepared right here. Now all that's left is to mix it up. So we'll put some ice in the shaker. Give it about a 10 to 20 second shake. Set that aside, and then we'll grab a glass, fill it up with ice. Pour it over top. To garnish, first we're gonna grate some fresh nutmeg. And to top it off, 1 pineapple wedge. And there you have it, the Fuzzy Slipper's take on a painkiller. I'm John, make good decisions. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when new content is released. Also leave a comment down below and let us know how you like your painkillers, and let us know what you think we should tackle next.